Hey children, in today's video we are going to start a new chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Under that we first study about fractions. We already know about types of fractions. Which are they? They are proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. First of all, let us study how to add fractions. Before you add or subtract fractions, you have to keep one important thing in your mind. That is, we can add or subtract only like fractions. The fractions with same denominators. Here you can see that denominators are different. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 is our question and denominators are different. So we have to make them same. In this question you can see denominators are 2 and 5 and they have no common factors in between. That means they are co-prime. When you get denominators with co-prime numbers, you follow the method that I am going to say now. Okay? Here to solve this, you have to first multiply the denominators. So what do we get? 2 into 5. To get the numerator, you have to cross multiply. That means 1 into 5. Operation is addition. Again, you have to multiply like this. 3 into 2. Very easily we get the answer. 1 into 5, 5. Plus 3 2s are 6. Divided by 2 into 5, 10. So the answer is 11 by 10. See how fast we got the answer. We can follow this method only when you get co-prime denominators. That's it. Let's check the second question, that is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 10. Here you have 3 fractions and that is unlike 2 because denominators are different. We have to make them same by finding the LCM of denominators. That is 2, 3 and 10. Let's find its LCM. Let's take 2 first. 2 into 1 time. 3 is not divisible by 2. So 3 and 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Again, let's take 3. 3 is a prime number. So it is 1 and 3 divided by 3, it is 1. 5 is not divisible by 3. So 5. And next step is to take 5. So what do we get? 1, 1 and 1. So we can stop here. So what is LCM? 2 into 3 into 5. That is 30. So LCM is 30. Now 30 will be our denominator. Let's take the first fraction, that is 3 by 2. 2 should be multiplied by 15 to make 30. So 2 into 15. Here also we have to multiply by 15. Let's take the second fraction, that is 1 by 3. 3 should be multiplied by 10 to make it 30. So here also we have to multiply, that is 1 into 10. Let's take the third fraction, that is 5 by 10. To make 10 to 30, we have to multiply by 3. That is 10 into 3. Here also multiplied by 3. So let's check what do we get. 3 into 15, it is 45. Plus, and denominator 2 into 15, it's 30. And 1 tens are 10. 10 divided by 3 tens are 30. Plus 5 threes are 15 divided by 30. Now we have converted all these 3 fractions into like fractions. Now we can add the numerators. What do we get, children? 45 plus 10, it is 55, and 55 plus 15, it is 70. So 70 by 30 is the answer, and we can reduce these fractions. This 0 and 0 gets cancelled, so the answer is 7 by 3. That is how to find the addition of 3 unlike fractions by finding the LCM. Let's check the addition of two mixed fractions. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Here the first step is to convert both these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 by 3 can be written as 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And denominator is 3. Operation is addition plus. Again here 3 into 2, it is 6. 6 plus 1, it is 7. So 7 by 2 is the fraction. Now it is in proper condition now. We can add now. And here this question is similar to the first question we discussed today. They are co-prime to each other. That means you can cross multiply and find the answer very easily. Denominator will be 3 into 2, that is 6. And numerator 8 into 2, 16. Plus 7 into 3, 21. And on adding we get 37 by 6. That is how to add two mixed fractions. Let's quickly move on to subtraction of fractions. The first question is 4 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Okay, here also we have to make denominator same as in the case of addition. Okay, and here when you check denominators, they are 5 and 7. They are co-prime to each other. That means we can cross multiply and find the answer very fastly. So denominator will be 5 into 7, that is 35. And numerator 4 into 7, that is 28. And operation is subtraction. 5 into 1, that is 5. So the final answer will be 28 minus 5, that is 23 by 35. See how fast we got the answer, children. Let's move on to second question also. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 12. Here they are not co-prime to each other. We can see that 12 is a multiple of 3. That means LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. So our denominator will be 12. Let's take the first fraction, that is 8 by 3. How can we make 3 to 12? 3 into 4 will give you 12. So I have to multiply 4 in denominator and in numerator. Minus the second fraction is 12. Here denominator is already 12. Nothing needs to multiply. Okay. So here what is the answer, children? 8 into 4, 32 by 3 fours are 12 and minus 1 by 12. So now denominators are same. We can subtract numerators. 32 minus 1, that is 31 by 12. That is the answer. Now let's move on to multiplication of fractions. Under multiplication, the first question is 9 by 10 into 5 by 27. In the case of addition and subtraction, we have to see that whether denominators are same or not. But for multiplication and division, denominators need not be same. Okay? And in case of multiplication, we can go for cancellation. Okay? And you can see here 9 is numerator and denominator is 27 the second fraction. We can cancel them using 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Again you can see 5 here and 10 here. We can cancel them using 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So on numerators what remains? 1 into 1, that is 1, and denominator 2 into 3, that is 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer for the first one. Let's move on to second question. Here you can see a mixed fraction multiplied by a proper fraction. 2 1 by 3 must be converted into an improper fraction. That is 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3 is the improper fraction. Into second fraction is 12 by 21. Here also we can check whether any cancellation is possible. Here it's 7, here is 21. 7, using 7 we can cancel. That is 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Again you can see 3 and 12. We can cancel using 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So what remains on numerator? 1 into 4, that is 4 by 1 into 3, that is 3. So the answer is 4 by 3. This is how to multiply fractions. Now let's study how to divide the given fractions. The first question is 5 by 4 divided by 15 by 16. Here the step is to convert the operation division to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. No change to the first fraction. Okay. Now let's see how can we solve it. So the first fraction is 5 by 4. No change to it. Division changes to multiplication and reciprocal of this fraction will be 16 by 15. And now it is multiplication, the operation. That means we can check whether any cancellation is possible. Here you can see 5 and 15 here. We can cancel both using 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. And here 4 and 16. We can cancel both using 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Now what remains in the numerator? 1 into 4, that is 4, and in denominator it is 1 into 3, that is 3. So 4 by 3 is the answer for the first question. We will move on to second question. 6 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. Here you see a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into an improper fraction. That is 6 into 3 18. 18 plus 1 19. So 19 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. Now the next step is to convert the operation division to multiplication. So what we get? 19 by 3. No change to the first fraction. And division turns to multiplication, and reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 2 by 1. Check whether any cancellation is possible. 19 and 1, no cancellation. 3 and 2, no cancellation. So multiply them directly. That is 19 into 2. It is 38, and denominator 3 into 1, that is 3. So the answer is 38 by 3. So that is how to divide two fractions. In today's video, we have studied how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the fractions given to you. So, I hope you understood all that. That's all for today. Thank you, children.